this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. Did you guys get a good look at the box? They look like Pros, to be honest. MagSafe charging case. But they don't have the tips. I actually brought in the Pros so you guys could see that they do look like the Pros, but without the tips. The box itself is also smaller. And I also brought in the 2nd generation box so you guys can get a good look at what they used to look like. This is the one with the charging case, the wireless charging case. Okay, let's get into it. Forgot about the tabs, the easy open tabs. Let's look at this first. AirPods. This is the instructions on how to charge it and how to connect it, and where to see where it's charged. Safety and warranty. So you guys can stop and read it if you need to or want to. Registry compliance information. More warranty. Okay, let's get into it. The case itself looks like a smaller version of the Pros. I brought in the Pros so you could see the difference. Also brought in the 2nd generation so you can see how different it looks. Let's get a good look at this and open it. There we go. These do definitely look like the Pros, just smaller and more dainty in size. Let's get into the rest of the box. This is the charging cord. It looks like USB-C on one side and the old charger on the other side. Can you guys get a good look at that? Old charger, USB-C. that seems to be the end of our unboxing today. If you guys have any more suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you and hope to catch you guys next time.